Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in bio class. In ninth class science, there are 15 chapters. So note down bio chapters in your bio notebook. NCERT science का जो fifth chapter है, that is your bio chapter, the fundamental unit of life. Next chapter, tissues. Next bio chapter, diversity in living organisms. Then write down the next chapter of bio. Why do we fall ill? Next, natural resources. Fifteen chapter, improvement in food resources. Total 6 chapters हो गए bio के. Write down these 6 chapters in your bio notebook. लिख लिया आप सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
Down PT1 chapter. In periodic test 1, only one chapter of bio, that is fundamental unit of life. Periodic test 1 में आपके बायो का एक ही चैप्टर है, that is the fundamental unit of life. Now write down the practical activities in your notebook. First practical activity of bio, preparation of stained temporary mount of onion peel, human cheek cells, and to record observation and draw their label diagrams. Now, write on the next practical activity, identification of parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma, tissues in plants, striped, smooth, and cardiac muscle fibers and nerve cells in animals. From prepared slides. And draw their labeled diagrams. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then third practical activity, study of characteristics of Spirogyra, agaricus, moss, fern, pinus, male or female cone, pinus with male or female cone, and an angiospermic plant. And give two identifying features of the groups they belong to. Now, next practical activity. Observe the given pictures, charts, models of earthworm, cockroach, bony fish, and bird. For each organism, for each organism, draw their picture and record one specific feature of its phylum and one adaptive feature with reference to its habitat. With reference to its habitat. Okay. Next practical activity. Study of external features of root, stem, leaf. Study of external features of root, stem, leaf, and flower of monocot and dicot plants. In periodic test 1, there is only one practical activity, that is preparation of temporary mount. Periodic test 1. आप सबने प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटीज लिख ली अपनी नोटबुक पे?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we are going to start the 5th chapter of NCERT Science, that is Fundamental Unit of Life. It's the first chapter of bio. The fundamental unit of life is a cell. In this chapter, we will discuss first definition of cell, then discovery and history of cell, then unicellular and multicellular organisms, shape, size and number of cells, what are the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, then different parts of cells. First cell wall, then plasma membrane, that is also known as cell membrane, then nucleus, cell organelles, for example, endoplasmic reticulum, that are the different components of cell, powerhouse of cell, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuole, etc. और एंड में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेल डिवीजन बाय माइटोसिस एंड meiosis. Now what is cell? Cell is the fundamental unit of life. Cell is the fundamental unit of life. इसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं पर नेकलेस के एग्जांपल के साथ. अब पर नेकलेस में एक जो पर्ल है वो अपने आप में क्या है? कंप्लीट है. हम ये नहीं कहते कि जब तक पर्ल नेकलेस नहीं बना देता वो इनकम्प्लीट है. पर्ल एक अपने मोती है जो एक, वो अपने आप में क्या है? कंप्लीट है. और वो क्या बना रहा है? नेकलेस बना रहा है, पर्ल नेकलेस बना रहा है. ठीक है, अगर पर्ल है तो पर्ल नेकलेस है. ओके, इसी तरह से जो सेल है, सेल इज अ फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. इट इज स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. All living organisms are made up of cell, and each cell perform the basic functions of life. Okay, it means अगर हम अब definition लिखे सेल की तो क्या लिखेंगे? Cell is the fundamental unit of life. It is a structural and functional unit of life. अब next हम discuss करते हैं discovery of cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered the cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered the cell. He examined the thin slice of cork. What is cork? Cork is a substance which comes from the bark of a tree. He examined the thin slice of cork under his self-designed primitive microscope, and he saw dead cells which look like empty rooms. Okay, और ये किस तरह से लगता है? जैसे हनीकॉम्ब है. And he called the little room, जो empty room थे उसने इसको क्या बोला? Cellula, which is now known as cell. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं डिस्कवरीज रिलेटेड टू द सेल. फर्स्ट है लेवेनहुक in 1674 with the improved microscope discovered the free living cells in the pond water for the first time. सेल की डिस्कवरी किसने किया? रॉबर्ट हुक ने. और उसने क्या डिस्कवर किया था? डेड सेल्स. बट लेवेनहुक डिस्कवर्ड द फ्री लिविंग सेल्स इन द pond water. Next, very important discovery of nucleus. Robert Brown in 1831 discovered the nucleus in the cell. Next, Preckenji in 1839 coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell. Next, very important, that is cell theory. Cell theory presented by Sheldon and Schwann in 1838 and 1839. Cell theory के क्या points से? All the plants and animals are composed of cells. Next, cell is the basic unit of life. ये हम पहले भी discuss कर चुके हैं कि cell is the basic unit of life. अब cell theory Sheldon और Schwann ने तो दे दी, लेकिन उसको expand किसने किया? Cell theory was expanded by Virchow in 1855 by suggesting that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Okay? जितने भी नेम इस स्लाइड पे गिवन हैं, आपने उनके स्पेलिंग अच्छे से याद करने हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप आंसर में स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग लिखते हो तो मीन्स आंसर आपका क्या होगा? रॉन्ग. सो एक बार फिर से हम डिस्कस करते हैं और आप मेरे साथ साथ याद करेंगे स्पेलिंग्स को. लेवेनहुक in 1674 discovered free living cells. Next, स्पेलिंग याद कीजिए. रॉबर्ट ब्राउन in 1831 discovered nucleus in the cell. Next, Preckenji in 1839 coined the term protoplasm. Next, cell theory, Sheldon and Schwann. And cell theory was expanded by Virchow in 1855. अब cell theory क्या है? All the plants and animals are composed of cells. And cell is the basic unit of life, and all the cells arise from pre-existing cells. आज हमने क्या क्या डिस्कस किया है? First, what is cell? Who discovered cell and how? And then the discoveries related to the cell.